Hello everyone, we will start our review with the CryptoRobotics company's website, through which you can register on our trading terminal. So we click on the sign up button in the right part of the window, and in order to register you have to enter your name, email and a password. After you click on the button that says done, you will receive a letter with the confirmation code for your authorization. Then you enter this code and the terminal opens in front of you. Soon after you enter the terminal, you get the opportunity to add Google Authentication. Thus, you will secure your account. In case you are not ready yet to do so, you can simply click Continue without Google Authentication and enter the terminal right away. Once you enter the terminal, you are greeted with Rita, a virtual assistant who will consult you and give tips on every new feature that you discover whilst exploring the terminal. She will also point out the knowledge base, where you can obtain all the necessary video tutorials and instructions on how to work with the terminal, including this video that you are watching right now. We go to the trade section, which is the main section of the terminal. We will consider it more detail using the example of an account where the exchange is already connected. On your left, you can observe a list containing 15 exchanges. It contains both futures and spot exchanges. When you press on each of these exchanges, a list comes out showing all the coins that are being traded on this particular exchange. You can open a certain cryptocurrency with a single click. As you can see, a new tab appears, which is very convenient as it allows to open various currency pairs in different tabs and work with them from the same window. Besides, you can add each of the currency pairs to your favorites, and they will appear in your favorites list on the left side of the screen, allowing you to easily open the pair with a single click. Regarding the trading itself, please take note that the trade begins when you have your API exchange key connected. The instructions on how to connect the exchange are also in the manuals. Every cryptocurrency pair contains a toolset for technical analysis that would help you to work with chart. Graphics and workspace are easily customized. They can be changed in a certain way that would allow you to work with the chart more efficiently. To the right, you can see the order book, from which you can also implement your trade. Our terminal also contains an indicator called spread, which is very helpful in establishing the profitability of prices that are put up for buy and sell options. In other words, it helps to establish how much do ask and bid prices differ from each other. Besides, in bottom section you can see tools for different types of orders and order history. You can view the order history for your own orders or for all orders of a particular currency pair. You can choose different options in the control unit depending on the order that you want to execute. You have a choice of limit order, stop limit order, market order, and you can also set the alerts. Additionally, each type of order has access to smart order, which opens separately on the left and allows to establish take profit, stop loss, as well as trading buy and trading stop simultaneously. All these indicators are displayed on the chart when you open a certain order type. This was the trade section. Now let's switch to the algo trading section. Currently, 4 following products are presented here: trading robots, trading by signals, AUTOFOLLOWING, and copy trading. Let's start with the trading robots. You can access this section either from the main menu or from the menu on the left. We move to the trading robots and right away we get to all robots section. Here we are presented with 3 types of robots. These are robots from our partners, futures robots, and robots trading on the spot market. Futures robots trade both short and long, and you can choose the trade leverage for them. These robots are available in 3 options, depending on the risk strategy: conservative, moderate, and risky. They differ primarily in the levels of stop losses. Spot robots only trade long positions. They differ in cryptocurrency pairs and trading strategies. There are mono robots, Optimus and Cyberbot, as well as robots Optimus and Cyberbot trading on multiple pairs. you can see a more detailed description on the algorithms of these robots. Let's take a closer look at one of the robots. For example, a futures robot with moderate risk. We press the button Go to My Robots, then Manage button. If we are ready to start trading with robots, we should know that all robots have two modes of operation. These are real trading and demo trading. In order to get access to the demo trading, you need a basic package or higher, meaning profit or expert or education package. However, real trading on mono robots is available in package profit and higher. Expert package is required for real trading with any type of robot. Let's have a brief look how these robots are operating and what their interface looks like. As I said, there are two modes: demo or test mode and work mode. In testing mode, you don't actually use your wallet for trading, and respectively in working mode, you connect your wallet by API. Settings are also presented here, and they are not complicated. Most important of all, our robots have a system of risk management, meaning defense against the wallet drawdown. So this is not classical stop loss, but an additional work with the general wallet of the robot itself. All statistics are transparent and easy to comprehend visually. Information on settings for all types of robots can be found in the manual section, where we can study how to tune a robot and understand how exactly they work. For those who want to use a robot but don't know how to tune them, we have a top robot section. Robots of real users can be viewed here. The statistics can be displayed for various periods from a single day to 6 months. Also, you can view the statistics of each robot, and here you can simply copy the robot settings that you have in your acquired package. Next, we move into trading by signals or signal trading. Trading by signals is a service where a signal receipt from analytics is automated. Thus, it turns out that every channel is attached to an analyst or a group of analysts that add the signals. Statistics for all the signals can be viewed in all channels section, meaning number of subscribers, total amount of signals, number of successful signals, number of currently active signals, or how to get access during the purchase of each of the channels. For example, the CryptoRobotics channel is already included in the profit, expert, and education packages, and therefore you don't need to purchase it separately. All other channels are bought if you have access to at least one of the Pro packages, meaning basic and higher. Let's now have a look at the channel itself and see how it works. Besides the statistics for the whole duration of this channel, I can also view the history of all signals. And besides the opportunity to view the statistics numerically, you can have a look at the chart itself at the time of order execution after the purchase. Current signals become accessible to make a new order. You don't have to input any data but only choose a wallet which you prefer to trade with and pick one of the target prices, after which the system would have to exit from the deal for you. So basically you get to trade in accordance with signals in one click. The signals work both for long and short positions. Everything depends on the exchange that you have added. Also, it's worth noting that CryptoRobotics has its own Telegram channel, where one can receive notifications about new signals from crypto analysts that are presented here. Next, we are moving to the section of AUTOFOLLOWING. AUTOFOLLOWING represents even more automated signals. In this particular case, we have combined the functional of signal trading with the robots. Let's see how this works. First, we set the settings. Choose an exchange, choose the risk strategy. There are usually 3 of them, and choose main coins for trading. If you are trading on marginal exchange, then you also have to indicate the margin. Once the settings are set, we click Save Settings. Then we click Start, and after this, the robot starts to monitor new signals and deals whilst automatically making trades. Trades history can be viewed in the relative sections. Now let's look at the copy trading service. Copy trading is a service that broadcasts the master trader's operations directly from the exchange and allows other users to automatically copy trading orders, which means make the same transactions as the master trader. There are many channels with different statistics. Let's open the statistics of this channel, for example. It is important to note that for the correct copying of orders in each channel, it is necessary to connect a separate account on which no other orders are made and to which other algorithmic trading tools are not connected. We see that the graph of the profitability of transactions is growing steadily, and at the moment it is 103%. Below you can take a closer look at each trade that the trader made with 1-day delay, or see the specifically copied deals and your own statistics on them if you have already launched the channel. Open and closed trades are displayed here. In this section you can see which pair was used in the transaction, the number of coins, and the transaction volume in dollars, as well as the average price and profit. You can also expand a specific position and view information on individual orders. That is, the service itself is organized according to the positions principle. A position is one or several orders to buy or sell a single asset. As we can see, the opening and closing of positions can occur unevenly. Orders may vary in size and may be closed separately or together. To run this tool, you must have a subscription to the channel and the minimum required balance on the exchange in the corresponding coin. The minimum trading balance is required for correct copying of the master trader's orders. For example, for this channel, the minimum balance is set at $670. Next, let's have a look at the account section. When you refresh the page, first the Analytics panel opens up. This panel shows the summary data of your account starting from your wallet all the way to the tools currently being used. You can also view your portfolio and all the API keys or accounts that were added. Besides, the statistics can be viewed separately for each of the exchange account and configure it. All necessary data can be viewed either in Bitcoin or in USD. Next, we move to the exchange account settings. This is also one of the main sections. It is necessary to essentially start trading. Here we have an available function of adding API keys from the exchange. Instructions on how to add exchange keys can be also found in the API exchange section of the manuals. Moving on to the order section, where we can sort the orders by their type from manual trading to auto-following. Also, they can be sorted based on how they were ordered. For example, as limit or market orders. If you are trading on futures exchange and you have an open position, then this open position will be displayed here and it can be managed from here as well. Next, we switch to the balance section. This section allows you to view your portfolio, and total portfolio value is displayed in the top right corner of the terminal. Here we also have a very convenient function that is called Sell in one click. This function allows you to sell all assets in Bitcoin or in USDT. Next, payment section. Payment section displays all the purchases made, including the ones you have refused. They will be displayed here for the purpose of statistics. All the statistics of the Robo Wallet will be displayed in the Robo Wallet section. And there will also be an opportunity to withdraw tokens from here to your ERC20 wallet. Another important section is the Referral Program section. Here we can view all your postings. Firstly, you can copy referral links and invite people to various pages, either to English or Russian websites or to a demo version. You can view the statistics of each of the invitees, meaning you can see what you have received the reward for and also the amount of tokens of your invitee. $6 remain frozen if the invitee has only registered and haven't made a purchase. All the additional terms related to the referral program are shown here. The rewards obtained from the referral program can be converted to robot tokens or withdrawn and converted to USDT. The minimum withdrawal is $25. Currently, the assessment of all the referral rewards are conducted exactly in USDT. Next, in Personal Data section, you can edit your personal details, change password if needed, and change time settings to your current one, and both activate and deactivate the two-factor authentication. In the next section, you can download different versions for your terminal, meaning for Windows, Mac OS, and for Android. Mobile version allows to use the opportunities of CryptoRobotics practically without limiting its functionality. Next comes the section where you can buy crypto if you need some liquidity for trading or if you want to make payment. You can buy cryptocurrency here at a profitable price from our partners. Up next is the support section. Here you can write a letter in case if you have any questions. You can indicate any type of question. The response will be sent to your email address, which is connected to your terminal account. Finally, I would like to show you our packages. As you can see, there is a free package that is working without any time limitations. And for example, the expert and education packages already contain practically the whole functionality of the terminal. Respectively, the free package gives access to all exchanges. There are several types of orders available with several restrictions. In basic package, the robots are accessible in testing mode. The profit package gives you access to CryptoRobotics signal channel and as for robots that work in real time. In expert package, you have 10 robots and unlimited access on all types of orders. The functionality of multiple accounts as well as auto-following is added in this package. The education package adds access to the course on the basics of cryptocurrencies to all of the above. Any purchase in the terminal is carried out through cryptocurrency. Currently, there are 3 types of cryptocurrencies available. Using USDT in Tron20 network is more profitable at present moment, since it has the lowest commission rate out of all the presented options. Thank you for your attention, and we hope that you found this tutorial useful. Have a nice day.